Welcome back here. Time allows. Say my name in your phone. I'll be fine, but I don't know. And I'll be back again. I'll be back again. Keep my life close to yours. We'll lay down again once more. When I get back again, I get back again. And it's so hard to live without your softest touch. You're burning out. You're burning out. I don't want to be alone, and it's too hard for you to ride alone. So wait for me, and I'll be back.
And there should be enough, at least everyone to have one plant. So you don't want the hole too deep or too shallow. Just right. And how do I know it's just right? Because you should basically line up even with, not a lot, but we just want to take like this much at the most and then spread it out to the bottom. It's not really heavy. So you put this in, you cover it up, and it should be level, and then you compact.
Let me know if you feel a little lost, a little too real, and I'll come back again. I'll come back again. It hurts alone, but don't you worry, I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
But she said, trust me, these are the stories we will tell. As I stood frozen, infinite, I almost fell. But I got a feeling and my heart starts beating, a sudden rush of feeling alive. This is freedom and I won't change, I won't phase out.